All right, guys. Thanks for logging on. If you need a little help, let's get right to it. You can say hi to our little creepy friend there in the corner. I don't know what he's doing there. Oh, figured it out. All right. So, first question right here. They tell you 5 notebooks are 525. They want to know how many three would cost. Now, at first, you might be like, how do you figure that out? Why do they need three? The easiest way you can do, and this is kind of a problem for the future, is to find out one how much does one notebook cost. So to do that, you need to divide by 5. So just to show you, set it up here. How many times does 5 go into 525? After you solve, remember your decimal goes right above, kind of like when we added. And then you multiply your answer by 3, and you'll know how many 3 notebooks cost. Next, again, this is how long it took Jingya, whatever you want to call them, to get to school each morning. So again, kind of obvious. Look at those numbers and think, if you're going to predict how long it would take them to get to school, which one of those numbers would fit right here, and just tell me why. Next, again, he doesn't want to be late, and school starts at 8 o'clock. So, at what time in the morning should he at least leave by so you know he's not late? Again, base this off of the times up here. Probably the hardest dot pattern one we've had so far. Again, I need figures 3 and 5. Notice they start out with 4 and went to 6. So you're probably going to have 8 here. And then you have 10. And you're going to have 12. So again, how many dots should be in the 50th figure? Well, it started with 4, then went to 6. All right. So you have to think about the 4 you started at. All right. If there's 12 dots in the fifth figure, all right, how many would be in the 50th? Um, really hard to figure out. I want you to try. If you take more than, I would say, no more than 3 minutes, then we'll further explain it in class tomorrow. But it's a really hard question, but challenge yourself. And then you know how many are here, how many dots, what figure would be in the 38th. Tough question, but we want to see what you know. No biggie if you don't understand, just give it a chance and move on. Last problem here, a lot of math to do with it. What I would do is draw the soccer field. So I'm imagining a soccer field as a rectangle. Um, if it's 80 yards by 115, so if she starts here and let's say she walks all the way around, she's going to walk the 115, she's going to walk the 80, another 115, and another 80. And I believe that would be a perimeter of 230 plus 160, which is 390. So each time she walks around that soccer field, she's walked 390 yards. So here in A, I believe I just gave you that answer. But when you go to B, she's going to walk around 4 times. How many yards did she walk? And then right down here, we have a little additional challenge. How many miles? So you got to convert yards to miles. Um, so again, you have to do a little conversion. I'd look it up. How many? Well, it says a mile is 700. So you're gonna have to do some division here. So when you get this answer here, you'll divide it by this, and you can get your mileage. Um, so there's our buddy. He's back here. So I guess that means it's time to go. Thanks for logging on. An answer key will be attached. Thanks for watching.